Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best oxygen acetylene cart is probably one of the most indispensable tools for welders and fabricators. It's designed to safely and efficiently transport oxygen and acetylene cylinders, making your work easier and more organized. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of oxygen acetylene carts, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should look for when choosing the right one for your needs. Number 5. Forney 86221 Plastic Tote for 1753 Tote torch. This plastic tote is specifically designed as a replacement for the Forney 1753 setup. It's a perfect fit, ensuring your tools are securely stored and easily accessible. The tote is perfect for use with the Tote torch kit. It helps you organize your oxyacetylene tools effectively, keeping everything in its place. This tote is crafted to provide stability and reduce movement during transportation. This ensures a safe and secure welding setup, protecting your tools. The portable design enables easy transportation of your torch and welding tools. It makes it simple to carry your essentials wherever you need them. This lightweight yet sturdy plastic tote is built to accommodate numerous accessories comfortably. It keeps your gear secure and organized. What we like. This tote is specifically designed for the Forney 1753 setup, ensuring a perfect fit. It's perfect for organizing your oxyacetylene tools. If you are looking for a safe and secure way to transport your welding essentials, you should consider this. What people say. Bottles fit snug. The Tote Forney 1753 works perfectly. It is robust in construction and should do for you what you expect. I am not in the least disappointed. Excellent product that holds my oxyacetylene outfit perfectly. Very nice, convenient and light, strong enough to hold pretty heavy gear. Number 4. Hobart 770270 Oxy Acid Cart Bottle, Black. This product is designed in China. It's built with quality and durability in mind. You can rely on it for your needs. The model number is 770270. This number helps you identify the specific product. Make sure this is the right one for you. The package dimensions are 27.75 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 11.25 inches high. This gives you an idea of the size. It's important to consider this for storage and transport. The package weighs 34.1 pounds. This is the total weight of the product and its packaging. Keep this in mind when handling it. This product is a great choice for your needs. It is designed to be durable and reliable. Consider this for your next purchase. What we like. This cart is made in China. It has a model number of 770270. If you are looking for a cart with specific dimensions, you should consider this. What people say. It is sturdy and the larger rubber tires allow me to get it over the lip exiting our garage easily. My acetylene bottle is 12-inch, oxygen bottle is 9.5-inch and they fit great. This is not a professional quality cart for really heavy use. But it's well made and designed, relatively heavy duty, and perfect for the welder who needs to move tanks regularly and wants a reliable cart. Easy to assemble and good quality. And the rubber wheels make moving your rig much easier. Number 3. Gas Welding Cart Hauler for Oxygen Acetylene Tanks. This cart is designed to securely haul your oxygen and acetylene tanks. It's perfect for any shop or garage, making your welding tasks easier. The cart can hold 2 gas cylinders, each with a 9-inch diameter. This allows you to transport both tanks at once, saving you time and effort. It also features a tool shelf that can hold up to 35 pounds. This is a convenient place to store your welding tools, keeping them within easy reach. The cart is equipped with oversized pneumatic tires for a smooth ride. These tires make it easy to maneuver the cart across various terrains. Built with rugged 1-inch steel tubing, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it to handle the demands of your welding projects. What we like. This cart holds 2 gas cylinders and has a tool shelf. It features oversized pneumatic tires for a smooth ride. If you need to transport multiple cylinders and tools across various terrains, you should consider this. What people say. This cart was very helpful in moving my welding bottles. Easy to assemble. Used for carrying oxygen and acetylene bottles. Easy to assemble and good balance. Number 2. Harper Trucks 142-86 Welding Cylinder Hand Truck. This is the Harper Trucks 142-86, a deluxe welding cylinder hand truck. It's designed to make your job easier and safer. This hand truck is built to last. The dual handlebars and hand grips provide better control and stability. This feature is especially helpful when the truck is loaded. You'll appreciate the added control. The design ensures stability, even with heavy loads. It's built to handle the demands of a busy work environment. You can rely on it. It includes a hold chain, hose hook, and welding rod holders. These features add to its functionality. They make it a complete solution. The built-in toolbox provides convenient storage for your tools. This feature keeps everything you need within reach. It's all about efficiency. The product comes with a 1-year warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind. It's a testament to the product's quality. What we like. This cart features dual handlebars for better control. It comes equipped with a toolbox and a 1-year warranty. If you value control, storage, and peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. This cart is solidly built and will last forever. I am amazed at the quality and the workmanship of this hand truck. It is rugged and well built. It should last a lifetime, it is really that good. Well made and does its intended job perfectly. Number 1. ResOne Dual DE Oxygen Tank Cart. Introducing the ResOne Oxygen Tank Cart. This cart is designed for easy maneuverability. Its lightweight design and large wheels allow it to glide smoothly across different surfaces. The handle is adjustable to 2 different heights. It can also be removed for easy transport and storage. This feature ensures that it fits your specific needs. This cart accommodates 2 D or E size oxygen tanks. It has a small footprint, making it easy to park. The design ensures it fits your needs. The ResOne cart features a sturdy steel build with a durable powder-coated finish. It's not only functional but also stylish, ensuring your oxygen tanks are transported safely and in style. Whether you're traveling or simply on the move, this cart caters to your needs. It's a compact and efficient solution for individuals using D or E oxygen cylinders, offering flexibility and portability. The integrated powder-coated steel rings are designed with a 4.5-inch diameter openings and thumb screws to ensure tanks can be easily inserted and secured. Standard oxygen cylinder E and D tanks have a 4.3-inch diameter base. D tanks have a height of 16.5 inches and E tanks have a height of 25.5 inches. What we like. This cart features a lightweight design and an adjustable handle. It has a durable powder-coated finish. If you need a portable and stylish solution for transporting oxygen tanks, you should consider this. What people say. Holds 2 bottles and works as it should. 2 tanks are great. The wheels are sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.